That's what we're working on today. A Buick. And we're taking off that door panel. See that, puppy? We're taking them off. And we have 7 mils. One. Couple hidden under there. One hidden under here. One hidden under here. And we're going to take them off and see if there's one under there too. So let's get to work. And yes, there was one hidden behind this little door. And I came in through the corner right there with this little guy. Just to get behind it and pop her out. You got this holding it in, this holding it in. That's more of a guide. So top first. Got it? Good. Now, let's see what we have to do to pull this puppy off. So I have proclaimed this guy, this Buick, is one of the worst door panels I've pulled off so far. Everything's stiff. I mean everything. This, you have to squeeze and pull out so you can get the handle off. This puppy right here. So you squeeze it, pull back, and this just pops out. This puppy, this locking mechanism's right here, popped out of my hand. Because American vehicles want to make sure you don't steal the door panel. So this has to pop out back. So squeeze this and pull out. Yeah, my shoulder hurts after this. Actually, you see where it goes back in? There's a little guide. Has to go in right there. You see? So you have to pull it out. It locks in. Yeah, it's quite fun actually when the door panel is actually hanging in your hand and you have to get it out of this little guy. You see? All that. We have, I don't know, 42 empty cavities for 6 wires. And then we got this one. This one just squeezes on this side. Of course you don't see it because it's hidden on the back side, which is right there. So you have to squeeze from the back side and pull this one out. And thank you, they don't have an actual safety clip in this one. Thanks guys, thanks. So clip, clip, screw, 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 all the way down there. And then you got 2 more, one there, one there. I strongly suggest getting something back behind here because these are one of the worst to pull out. Why? Because it's American. And the cyclometer actually is worse than the Nissan Rogue. So, so that's how you get the door panel off. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.